Hello, welcome back to my class. Dear students, here is the second video, so do watch it till the end.
Okay students, so in my last video I had explained you what is lifespan, right? So in this video I'll be explaining you what is reproduction. And as you can see here I have written two words, okay, sorry, two questions, that is what and why. So what is reproduction and why reproduction? Means what is the importance of reproduction? First, let us try to understand the term reproduction. See, reproduction, the term itself, okay, explain. Re means again, production means to produce, reproduction. So it means when an organism reproduce, where they are giving birth to their young ones. So reproduction, so how can we define it? Reproduction, it is a biological process, okay, which takes place in every living organisms which has the capability of giving birth to their young ones. So it is a biological process by which living organisms, they give birth to their offspring similar to them, okay. They are not identical. Identical will be like exact, you can say copy, okay, which are completely as it is, that is your identical. But in, you see, for an example, a human being, we are not identical, right? We are similar to our parents, so similar to offspring. And in this process, what happened? Offsprings, they mature, right? They grow, they mature, and in turn what happened? And in turn they produce new offspring. So this is a, you can say it's a continuity where take birth, okay, or you can say they take birth and then they grow, they mature, and in turn again they give birth to the young ones. All right, so this is called your reproduction. Now the second question is why reproduction is important, why it is required. So reproduction, there are three important things, okay, which will explain. There are three important points which will explain why reproduction is important. Number one, continuity. Reproduction ensures continuity in a living organism, or you can say perpetuation. There is one more word for continuity, it is your perpetuation, that is continuity in a living organism. Yes, this words, okay, this also comes used to comes in your entrance exams. So just remember the word perpetuation means continuity in a living organisms. See, if there is no reproduction, then what would happen? No world will exist, right? There is no, there nothing will left. They will grow and they dies, isn't it? So this world exists because of reproduction. Second, transmission of characters. Reproduction, what does it do? It transmits the character, okay, in inheritance, right? We will learn this in chapter 5 also, how does this takes place. So transmission of characters, say for an example, whenever a baby borns, a newborn baby, so whenever a baby borns, what happened? We always compare the baby with his or her parents, right? Either we will say he or she looks like your father, mother, or brother, or any one of the family members, isn't it? So why do we say this? Because sometimes what happened, that newborn baby possesses the character of the parents. Suppose suppose the father, okay, F for father, M for mother. Suppose the color, hair color of a father is brown, okay, and the child, C for child, okay, even the child possesses the brown color. So how does it possess? So we will say that the hair color is just like his or her father, right? So that is your transmission of characters. Then the third point is variation. Variation in living organism. reproduction brings variation, a change, a difference in an living organism, which leads to the origin of new species. Though a child, okay, though a child look like his father, his or her father or mother, but still there is little difference in them. The character they have inherited, okay, they will have more better quality. There will be, it leads to what? Origin of new species. All right, so there you can see variation. So reproduction leads to the variation in an organisms. I hope this point is clear. So this video is all about the introduction of the topic, okay, that is reproduction. And in my next topic, in my next video, I shall be explaining you the different types of reproduction. So I hope you have learned it in the previous class. I think in class 10th you have got reproduction, or in class 9th. So you know the type of reproduction, okay? Just let me know the types of reproduction. All right, so I will continue this in my next video. Till then, watch the video, try to understand the topic, give a revision, and if you have any difficulty, if you cannot follow, then you can ask me. All right, so I will see you in my next video. Till then, watch it. All right.